All right, everybody, we're on deck 9. This is cabin 104. We're all the way in the front of the ship. This is called an ocean view obstructed. So we're going to come down here and show you. Oddly enough, it's not really obstructed. You have an amazing view out the front of the ship. Now, there is a curtain that goes up. I'm assuming it goes automatically. There's a button right here. So if you want it dark at night, you can do that. And just watch your head because I just hit it. Down here, there's a sofa, which obviously can convert to a bed. Across from the sofa, you do have 5 drawers, and this here is a mini fridge right there, hair dryer, desk. You have 3 US outlet. There's USB and 2 European. Nice mirror, which does light up, and a decent chair. There are 2 closets, one on this side, one on the other side. This side is all hanging. This side over here is shelves, safe, a little bit of hanging, and a couple drawers. Your nightstands have power and USB, which is awesome. You have a nice king-size bed when together, or if you wanted to separate them, I think it would be kind of challenging in this kind of configuration because of the closets. But typically, if you separate them, they're 2 twins. I just don't think this particular cabin you can do that. Across from the bed, you do have a nice TV and some things to hang, like hats or bags or whatever on. This can be an adjoining cabin. We move into the bathroom. You have a nice corner shower, pretty generous size for a corner shower. There's your soap dispenser in there. It's a combination. Toilet is in a great place for someone my height. I'm 6'4", so this was definitely good for the tall and fluffy. Single basin sink. It's a little small, but I think it's just fine for this size cabin, okay? Nice mirror, 3 shelves. There is power up there. So let us know what you think of this ocean view obstructed, which really isn't obstructed. Okay? Enjoy.